Welcome. In today's video, we will discuss about Lala Lajpat Rai. So yesterday itself, we did a YouTube video on another very important freedom fighter, GB Pant. So I would really ask you guys to go through that video also. This video again, Lala Lajpat Rai, this also come under the topic of your GS paper 1 history section and the national personalities. So there is an important topic in your syllabus called as the national personality, which talk about all the national personalities which has played a very important role in the India's struggle for freedom. So Lala Lajpat Rai is again a very important, very prominent freedom fighter, very important figure. So I hope you understand all this concept. In this particular video, we will discuss a little bit about Lala Lajpat Rai and we will also discuss about his contribution to the freedom struggle. So let's start. So he was influenced by Swami Dayanand Saraswati and joined the Arya Samaj in Lahore. Now this is something you have to do, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. So there is a specific chapter in your spectrum or in any other modern Indian history book. You will see there is a chapter on socio-religious reform. So in the early 19th century, India was going through the social religious reform, and one such was through the Swami Dayanand Saraswati through the Arya Samaj. There is another one for your information, not related to this topic, but another very important movement which was going on in the form of Brahmo Samaj, which was under Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So these are the things you should remember. This is your cue. Go back and read again your spectrum and get into the all the like the organization which was working for the reformation. So this is again Lala Lajpat Rai was influenced by which particular Samaj? It was Arya Samaj under the influence of Dayanand Saraswati. He believed that the ideals in Hinduism combined with nationalism will lead to the establishment of a secular state. So he believed that Hinduism along with nationalism should be the idea to have a secular state. So he believed in Hindu ideals, but that does not mean he was not a nationalist. He was very to the deep core of it. He was a nationalist. Along with Bipindra Chand Pal and the Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he formed the Lal Bal Pal trio of extremist leader. Now again something from the history book you should remember. So in the Surat split, you must have heard in your examination, there was a previous year paper in which they asked why the Surat split of 1907 happened. So Surat split of 1907 is the one where the moderates and extremists actually have a split. So it was moderates versus the extremists. Which are the group which were leading the extremists? So extremists, what does it mean? Basically these are the people who wants to go against the Britishers. So they did not believe in the prayers to the Britisher, as was the case with moderate. They believed that they have to go against the Britishers. They were more in favor of what is known as the mass movement. So one of the extremist, or in fact the most important leaders of extremist faction was the Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal and the Lala Lajpat Rai. So Lala Lajpat Rai was an important component of the trio of extremist leader. So just remember that part. Now he was also involved in the Hindu Mahasabha, which also include a very prominent uh, freedom fighter, which was Madan Mohan Malviya. So after Madan Mohan Malviya, he is the one who actually established the IIT BHU. So you can understand the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, the whole idea of that was kind of inspired from the Hindu Mahasabha also. So Madan Mohan Malviya was associated with the Hindu Mahasabha and Lala Lajpat Rai was also involved with it. He fought against the untouchability. So you should remember though he is like a Hinduist and he belongs to the Hindu Mahasabha, but he very vehemently opposed the practice of untouchability. So these are the certain things you should remember about Lala Lajpat Rai. Now let's move forward and see the contribution he has made to the national movement. So he is remembered for his role in the Swadeshi movement and for his advocacy of education. So he is also an educationalist, just remember that part. and he is involved with the Swadeshi movement. Now, what is Swadeshi movement? 1905 was the year when the Bengal partition was like kind of provided by the, or the order was given by the Lord Curzon, who was the Governor General at that time. So Lord Curzon went ahead and said that the Bengal would be partition, and Swadeshi movement was against that partition, and it was along the line of promoting the idea of Swadeshi good. He also helped found the Punjab National Bank. Now, this national bank, which you know, you must have heard in news, not very good reason recently, but Punjab National Bank, he was the founder. In 1885, Rai established the Dayanand Anglo-Vedic School in Lahore and remained a committed educationalist throughout his life. So, as mentioned earlier, he was a educationalist, and the DAV that you know, he is one of the major person who was involved in its formation. Rai, Tilak and Vipin Chandrapal fervently advocated the use of Swadeshi good and mass agitation in the aftermath of controversial partition of Bengal in 1905 by Lord Curzon. We have just discussed it. He founded the Indian Home Rule League of America in New York City in 1917. So just remember, so in India, the Indian Home Rule League was also established in 1916, and one faction was led by Tilak and the another faction was led by Annie Besant. So just remember these points also. So he also established the Home Rule League in the New York in 1917. He was elected the President of Indian National Congress during its special session in Kolkata in 2020, which saw the launch of Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement. So the session in which the non-cooperation movement was launched, he was the one who presided over the INC session. The patriot died at Lahore in 1928 after he was attacked by the police during a protest rally against the Simon Commission. So you must have seen there was a very much opposition against the Simon Commission which was coming to India. There was the famous slogan Simon Go Back, and during that time, because of police brutality, he died over there, and that is again one of the things which triggered the Bhagat Singh Lahore conspiracy. So again, this is how you relate the things, that Bhagat Singh Lahore conspiracy of 1929 was because he was very much affected by the death of Lala Lajpat Rai because of the exigency of force used by the police in the protest against the Simon Commission. So this is how you will relate the things. Again, this is more of a factual information, but UPSC has been asking about such kind of information too. So I would really suggest that major people and major work which has been in use, you should keep a note of it somewhere. So his major work include the Arya Samaj, Young India, England's Debt to India, Evolution of Japan, India's Will to Freedom, Message to the Bhagavad Gita, Political Future of India, Problem of National Education in India, the Depressed Classes, the Travelogue, United States of America. So these are the important works that he done. Again, few you can when you do not have time to remember each of every one of it, from his ideology you can understand the Arya Samaj would be the one he would be interested in. So all these things, if you know his most ideology or what he was inclined to, you can figure out who is the one who is doing it from the elimination method in the examination. So again, I will not suggest that you sweat over it and try to remember each and every work, but the important works are important. So I hope you have understood this video. Again, I have told you a lot of information related to modern Indian history. I really hope you go back to your Spectrum book or Vipin Chandra and look at it, how the Indian modern history has shaped and what are all the contribution made by the various famous freedom fighters. So if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, and if you have any doubt, drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you.